Well, adventurers, it's time to start planting. All the peppers are grown in the cups, in a double cup, and they're getting big, so I'm transplanting them, and I'm showing you a few tips in this video. I put holes in the sides of my buckets for ear pruning purposes, just like the grow bags provide ear pruning, and the roots don't get tight and bound up inside of it. For example, this is one I just saw, some soil I just took out of this bucket, and on the side you see no roots. There's no roots. The soil is loose, but at the bottom the roots gather because I really didn't have any holes in the bottom. I only had holes on the side. So now I put holes in the bottom of this bucket, so we're gonna see the difference. And those roots you saw in here, I had callaloo in here. Callaloo roots go very deep, so that's what was in there. Green stalk over there, but we'll see what happens here. For plants where the root don't go deep in the ground or in the pot or in the container, this is what I do. I tear up some cardboard or paper or whatever, fill the bottom of the pot. This is a 5-gallon bucket, and I fill the bottom of it, not quite halfway, maybe 3/4 of a way, because it's gonna flatten down anyway once you put water on it. But I just fill it up, put a good amount of cardboard, paper, whatever. Think about all the junk mail you get. Put some of them in there. Yeah, put some of the junk mail in there, and that's what I do. So I'm putting Scotch Bonnet peppers, and Scotch Bonnet peppers don't have deep roots. They're wide, but they're not deep. So I'm gonna put, I'm filling it up with soil. I have my soil here mixed, and I'm filling it up. I even have paper in here. So I'm filling it up, and then I'm gonna put my pepper in there, and I'll show you. See the roots coming out in the cups. This is time for them to get into a container. It's time to transplant them. They all have the roots coming out. Time to transplant them. The pepper out of the cup, and I'm gonna put it in this bucket. And they're looking so nice, and the leaves are getting so big. Soil, and I put my pepper in it, and now it's ready. Please remember to, if you're doing this, wet the cardboard or the paper before you put the soil. Get it wet so it's flattened down, because even though I can feel like this could go lower, but I'll put some more soil. But there's my Scotch bonnets. They're getting big. Before I put more soil, I'll put some of my Miracle Grow Organics plant food inside here. Stir it up, and I'll put some more soil so that it could cover it. It's not too much in there. And I also put some lower down before I filled up the bucket all the way up. I'm squeezing this down. Just need more soil, a lot more soil, but I'll put more soil. In my next video, I'll be telling you about my newest garden toys that I just got. I've been making the video, but it's taking a little while, so I'm uploading this, but in another 2 days I'll upload that one because I just need to edit it. Thanks for watching.